He does. He's very muscular.
Why are you so muscular, bro?
Not in a weird way. He looked offended by that.
Why you look offended?
He looked offended, and we were talking. I gave him a compliment.
You feel uncomfortable? I can give you a.
People feel uncomfortable with compliments, man.
I'll take my socks off, bro.
I can do a compliment. Like, you look strong, but how much can you really weigh? Yeah. Can you lift much?
Yeah, he's like a solid 103 pounds because he's.
Yeah. So are you really?
No, he wouldn't.
Okay, he's on each arm. 103 pounds on each arm.
That's just the size of his heart.
What's the squat like? Deep squat?
He has no squats.
He's
weak.
No, I'm talking about you. What's your squats?
Weak.
He's squatting? You squat?
Squatting Amazon packages.
Amazon carts. Carting it out. Shout out to Amazon.
Shout
There it is. Well, season 2, man. Hard to hustle is what we're going to be doing here.
Bezos.
Shout out to Bezos. Making a lot of money. The app sucks. Don't understand how that works. It's cool, though.
That's okay.
Yeah. It's technology.
We made look, he's vaping now. He's very uncomfortable.
He looks like a bodyguard. Honestly, at this point, if somebody did walk in here while we were podcasting and they saw him, they'd be like, you know what? I don't want to mess with these people.
No, he just looks like Marcus Houston's father.
Marcus Houston's father. All right, that's pretty. We're gonna have to get one of those things like.
Picture.
The what?
They can't see what you're talking about.
We can eventually. There is a camera that's up here that's poised for this. It will be recording, just so everyone knows. And 360. Okay. What am I going to look at? Something pleasurable?
He wears his anal beads on his wrist.
Oh dear, it's getting a little rated R GPTs going in here. I don't know. I just made it up. Let's see. Maybe I can find some like whoosh sounds and stuff in here. What do you got? Oh, okay, interesting. There it is. I see. There is a resemblance at the picture that I'm looking at, and this is Rage the Bone.
And that would be me.
Bubba Sparks, honestly, do you remember Bubba Sparks?
I do remember.
Bubba Sparks is who you reminded me of when I first saw you.
Bubba Sparks was an inspiration. All I can say is that hearing myself in this mic, man, I sound like I'm just about to rip the cheese out of the packaging, just slowly eat it.
Oh my goodness, just a whole block of cheddar cheese.
Just a block of cheddar cheese.
Right into cheese.
Yeah, no cheese cans. That's easy. I like the hard way. You know what I mean? Rip the cheddar out of the packaging, smell it.
Oh,
let it age.
Okay. Let it air out.
And then, just then, take a big bite of it.
All right. Well,
compliment it with one cracker.
We're gonna leave it right there on that note because who knows how much crazier that can get. But okay, that's the preview. Season 2, Heart of the Hustle. I'm Justin Dismukes, and
this is Kev. 30215 Motorsports and Enterprise. You know the vibes. We getting it rocking. We getting it cracking. You know what we doing.
All right. You guys stay tuned. See what happens next. It might get stupid.